Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing the job you've spent years perfecting no longer needs you. Not because you made a mistake, not because someone better came along, but because a machine did it faster, cheaper, and without complaining. That sounds dramatic, right? But for me, it wasn't a movie. It was real. One morning, I opened my laptop and discovered that the work I was supposed to deliver was already done by artificial intelligence. This is the story of how AI took my job and how that moment completely changed the way I see the future of work. The wake-up call. I still remember that morning. Coffee in hand, laptop open, same routine as always. The task was simple. Write an article for a client. But before I even started typing, the client sent me a message. Never mind, we already generated it with AI. It wasn't perfect, but it was good enough. And good enough was suddenly more dangerous than I ever imagined. The fear we don't say out loud. Maybe you've thought about it too. What if one day a machine does my work better than me? Think about taxi drivers when Uber came out. Think about film developers when digital cameras exploded. Entire industries can flip overnight. The difference this time? AI doesn't just target one job. It's spreading across all of them. Writers, designers, coders, teachers, even lawyers and doctors. It felt less like a new tool and more like a tidal wave. A story bigger than me. I started noticing it everywhere. Designers watched logos pop out of AI tools in seconds. Programmers saw code appear in real time. Doctors and lawyers realized machines could analyze X-rays or contracts in the blink of an eye. This wasn't just me losing one gig. This was a story unfolding across the world. What AI can't do. Yet. But here's the twist. AI is like a calculator for the brain. A calculator doesn't erase mathematicians, it makes them faster. Yes, AI can generate text, design images, analyze data. But it doesn't really understand humor, context, or emotion. It doesn't know what it feels like to struggle, to dream, to care. That's where humans still win. The partner, not enemy shift. At first, I saw AI as a thief. But then I asked, what if it was my assistant instead? Instead of staring at a blank page, I could brainstorm 10 ideas in seconds. Instead of wasting hours on repetitive tasks, I could focus on creativity and strategy. It was like hiring a super-fast intern who never sleeps, but still needs my guidance. And the moment I embraced that idea, my work didn't shrink. It grew. Clients wanted me plus AI. They wanted the speed of the machine and the wisdom of a human. Lessons from history. And honestly, this isn't the first time humanity has faced this. When the printing press appeared, scribes panicked. When cars replaced horses, stable boys panicked. When electricity spread, candle makers panicked. Yes, jobs changed, some disappeared, but entirely new industries were born. AI is just writing the next chapter of that same story. The hard truth. Still, let's be real. Not everyone will make the transition. Some will say, this won't affect me. And then one day, the phone will stop ringing. The truth is, AI doesn't just take jobs, it reshapes them. And the winners will be the ones who adapt first. A personal turning point. For me, everything shifted when I stopped asking, how do I compete with AI? And started asking, how do I compete with people who were already using AI? That question changed everything. It's like playing a video game where everyone else suddenly has turbo boost. You either press the same button or you get left behind. The future in plain sight. In 5 years, nobody will ask, do you use AI at work? It'll be as normal as email. The real question will be, how creatively are you using it? And here's the good news. The tools are already here. Many are free. The only thing standing in the way is our mindset. Wrap up. The core message. So if you take away one thing from this story, let it be this. AI didn't steal my job. My refusal to adapt almost did. Machines are fast, but they don't feel. They don't care. They don't dream. That's our role. Our challenge isn't to fight AI. It's to work with it and bring the one thing it can never replace: our humanity. Because the real danger isn't that AI takes over. The real danger is that we stop growing while it does. The future won't wait. The only question is, will we?